Okay, let's continue with our Simple Machines notes. Today we're going to write about the wedge. Let's start like we've been working on with a title in the middle. If you wanted, you could use bubble letters or something different, or you could just continue writing the title and using color around it. We're going to do wedge. I'm going to put a small picture of what a wedge is here to help me remember. Now, what does that look like we learned yesterday? It looks like an inclined plane. So what a wedge is made, I'm going to change from purple, use my blue. Made up of two inclined planes. And used to push objects apart. So you need a wedge. A wedge is an inclined plane that has movement. Then we have our examples. Now, we've talked about an axe, and that we don't really have an axe in our house. We've spoken about a doorstop. So perhaps you have a doorstop to help a door stay open so it doesn't blow in the wind. But we have some other things in our house that are wedges that maybe we didn't think about. One would be a knife. So I'm going to draw here a lovely piece of cake, well, a whole cake. And to cut my cake, to cut a piece, I would need a knife. And that's the wedge there. On the handle. So you need to push, using your force of your hand, the wedge, which is the knife, into the cake, and you're separating the two pieces of cake. So we need to write the word knife. Another one we're going to write is scissors. Now scissors are quite tricky. They're actually two, but they do have a wedge. So scissors. Look at my lovely scissors. And the last one, I'm going to write the doorstop. Gonna draw my door. And to keep my door from closing, I use, what color wedge should I have? Pink wedge. This bit of triangle. So a wedge is like this side, and the small side goes under the door, and the large side stays outside. It's a bit tricky to draw that. Right, that's our wedge notes. Hello primary one, so we're going to continue on in our notes on Simple Machines. This is our lever. A lever is a bar used for raising or moving weights centered on a fulcrum. And the fulcrum would be the triangle in the middle of the bar. And you can see that the person that's heavier would be on the bottom and the lighter person would be in the air. So these are our examples. we're going to write the word examples. And we have 3 examples. We have a seesaw, which is what you would have at the playground, right? Where someone would go up, down, up, down. We have a door handle, where someone would pull down one side to open the door, and then to close it again. And then our scissors. Remember I said scissors were actually 2, the 2 we've learned today. First we have the wedge and also the lever. They work together. And the fulcrum would be the screw in the middle. Normally it's a screw, something attaching the 2 in the middle. So those are your notes for today. Good work, everybody. Now I have a challenge for you. This is a little bit of an English and a science challenge. As we're learning about a magical playground in English and simple machines in science, I want to challenge you to make a playground. So look around your house at the materials you might have and see what you can make. There's lots of ideas. Look at this is the one we made. I've got a seesaw, a slide, a swing. I'm sure yours will be even better. Lots of materials you can have. This one was made with straw. You can use cardboard, old Play-Doh. See what you can try. I know you can make great things. Good luck.